Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and here's the latest segment from the After Hours show. Next up is Hewlett Packard Enterprise, ticker symbol HPE. The chart is on your screen. They wrapped up fiscal year 21 on a decent but not great note. Last night, the enterprise computing giant reported Q4 results that were modestly better than expected. However, it also provided EPS guidance for Q1 that was below expectations. Unlike Salesforce, which is selling off on weak guidance, HPE is hanging in there, and I think it has a lot to do with HPE's cheap valuation. Demand is not a problem for HPE. In fact, the company said it ended fiscal year 21 with record demand for its edge to cloud portfolio. HPE said the demand environment has been incredibly strong and that it's accelerated in the second half of the year, providing momentum heading into next year. Robust demand led to strong order growth of 29% year over year, with particular strength in as-a-service orders, which jumped 114% year over year, including large network as-a-service win. HPE also saw record levels of orders in key growth areas like intelligence edge, high performance computing, and artificial intelligence businesses. Unfortunately, orders are not the same as revenue. Like many hardware makers, HPE is facing industry-wide supply constraints, which hamper its ability to convert orders into revenue. For example, its largest segment, compute, saw revenue increase just 1% year over year to $3.2 billion. That was tied for the slowest growth of any of its 5 operating segments. On the other hand, its intelligence edge segment continued to be a bright spot. Revenue in Q4 rose 4% year over year to $815 million. Solid growth given the supply constraints in play. Also, this segment was up 3% for the year, with orders exceeding $4 billion for the first time. Customers are looking for ways to create new digital experiences at the edge and capitalize on the data generated there. In relation to HPE, they were selected to build a new supercomputer for the U.S. Department of Energy's National Renewable Energy Laboratory in order to accelerate discovery of renewable power. The new supercomputer will support energy initiatives related to security, resilience, storage, system integration, energy, and community transactions, as well as transportation and mobility, buildings, and advanced manufacturing. Once completed in 2023, the supercomputer will have more than 5 times greater performance than NREL's existing system, called Eagle, with approximately 44, am I saying this right, petaflops of peak performance. It will be hosted in NREL's Energy Systems Integration Facility data center in Golden, Colorado. HPE also announced that it's building a new supercomputer for Thailand's National Science and Technology Development Agency that is 30 times faster than its existing system. HPE is building one of Europe's most powerful supercomputers too. It will be installed at one of the 3 high-performing computer centers in France. I'm adding this to show demand for HPE has for many quarters to come. Bottom line, HPE's business is not that great right now. Demand remains robust, absolutely, but supply constraints are going to be a problem for at least the next few quarters. However, I like that HPE is making progress on its goal to lessen its exposure to hardware sales by offering more subscriptions, which provide a steadier recurring revenue stream. And you know, I love companies that have subscription-based services for that recurring revenue because you can always count on that recurring revenue. Unlike certain other tech names, HPE may be worth putting on your radar, mainly because of its cheap valuation. The company expects to report fiscal year 2022 EPS of $1.96 to $2.10, which equates to a PE of just 7.1 times at the midpoint. That may be a big reason for why the stock is holding up so well, and it should help to limit the downside if rough quarters continue. Plus, HPE rewards investors in other ways too. HPE pays a hefty 3.3% dividend. This is not only higher than competitor Cisco, but it's also a dividend with plenty of room to grow. HPE is committed to at least $500 million in share buybacks in fiscal year 2022 as well. So there are many ways that HPE is rewarding its investors. Thank you for watching this segment from the After Hours Show. If you want to watch it live, then join me on this channel every day the market is open around 5 p.m. for the latest stock market news, deep dives on your favorite ticker symbols, and most importantly, answer your questions. Make sure to click the like button and share this video with others so we can all reach financial freedom. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.